You take a mock, look at the question and you completely blank out. जबकि आपने वो क्वेश्चन पहले किया हुआ, still you blank out, you're not able to solve, and mock scores are tanking down. Is that you? This video is for you, so watch till the end. So आपको लग रहा होगा कि इतनी सारी प्रेपरेशन के बाद ये लास्ट मिनट मॉक्स में क्यों इतने कम स्कोर्स आ रहे हैं? पहले आरसी में 30 आते थे और अब 10 आ रहे हैं. But the problem is not your preparation. It is something called brain fog. So CAT के पहले brain fog is a very common phenomena जो बहुत लोगों के साथ होता है. Let me break this down in this video that how can you tackle with brain fog. Why is your brain acting weird right now? Your brain has gotten tired by now because of preparation and maybe over preparation and sometimes stress. Because you're very stressed before the exam, your brain is acting extremely weird right now. You have done too many mocks, you're comparing percentiles every 3 hours, and in every dip, you are questioning what is going wrong. Because of this, your mind is completely exhausted and it is going to in a stress spike zone where your cortisol levels are extremely high. And that exhaustion can look like getting blank when you see a question, being very irritated, panicking very easily, getting anxious very easily, and that leads to making silly mistakes. All this is normal. Your brain is right now overloaded. So let's dive into how we can clear this brain fog quickly. These things actually will help you to clear your brain fog. First thing, please take a pause, breathe, and stop studying continuously. Give your brain some step to. After you give yourself some break, please move. Either exercise, run, walk, do yoga, do any form of movement. Number 3, do something fun. Whatever you like, do some fun activity. Spend time with your parents. Just a little hangout with your friends. Do something that makes you feel happy. 4th, reduce noise and outside world notifications. If you are on many apps and there are a lot of notifications happening like Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, mute them. Give your brain some peace and some distraction from the notification. And do not get involved in who's getting what score and get bogged down by that. And number 5, sleep, sleep, sleep. Sleep is extremely critical to fix your brain fog. If you keep studying at night, your brain will not work at its sharpest. So you need to give yourself at least 8 hours of sleep for it to work in a very sharp manner in the exam. What you must stop doing right now for best performance on CAT D-Day. First, no more new chapter or new information overload. You're not studying any more new stuff that you have not already studied. You will not do a mock marathon like every day you're giving mocks continuously. No late night guilty study sessions. Your entire sleep pattern will again get messed up and that is not something that you want. No obsessing over bad mock. Do not get depressed over one bad mock in this time. Just ignore. Do not feel demotivated by seeing somebody else's success. Let me tell you the most important truth. The toppers are not the people who know the most. The topper is the person whose mind is the calmest on the D-Day. You just need to prepare one thing. You have already prepared the material. Now you need to prepare your brain. Poor performance right now does not mean you have not studied. It just means that your brain is tired. So try all of these resets, all the micro resets that I have shared with you, and this will definitely help you in your next few days before CAT. Take care of your brain and it will take care of you during the exam. If this video helped you, subscribe, like and comment. I am rooting for you. All the very best. See you in the next video. Bye bye.